So yeah, Vortex here. Welcome back to another one of my reviews, and this is from a company called FIFINE. I'm going to say this is a USB lavalier mic, which I'll show you shortly. They seem to be very good sellers on AliExpress, so I took the chance and bought one. I think it was around £12, just over £12, so not too expensive at all. So here it is, very basic packaging essentially. And I bought this before I had my previous setup, the Huru, that microphone kit. I ordered this a month ago and it came before that kit, but I really wanted still to review this as it has some perks, especially in this current situation what we have. So that's what it looks like. It's very straightforward, USB to an attached lavalier mic or lapel mic, and it's cardioid polar pattern, so you have to speak straight into the top, but it's an all plastic construction. That's where the headphones go in, and it lights up blue, so there's like those kind of grill effect on the top and it glows blue. That's just the shirt clip, which works fine. I'm using it right now, and obviously throughout this video I am using obviously the microphone start to finish. Here's the manual. The model is the K053. The manual is very straightforward. It's very useful, very detailed. There's the specs. Output impedance is quite high, but I don't think it really makes a big difference in this situation. There is just everything you need to do. The cable, I've kept it compact, but it is 6.56 feet, so maybe probably come to 2.5 meters long, maybe, so it's more than enough. This is how you set it up in Mac if you're a Mac user. Obviously I use it for Windows, and one thing, it works on PlayStation 4, which I'll get to in a bit. And then put it over to the other side. Manual is very straightforward, very clear. Tells you exactly what to do. I wish more devices, especially electronic devices, had these type of instructions, because at least it's very clear. It's in English, it's in colour, and it's very thorough. So I think, yeah, good job, FIFINE on this. And even there with the Windows 10, if you have any issues with it not recording, using the Audacity, I've tried the Audacity, works fine. Just the usual information there, and that's it. So here it is how I've set it up in Windows 10. This is not the very latest Windows 10, which is out by now. This is the one before. So always disable all enhancements, because Windows can still screw with the audio. But obviously, as you can see there, it can't be changed. Don't think it's a really big deal at this price point. Same for recording. That's what it looks like. Make sure to the default device. Nothing's fine there. Levels. That's the level I'm using right now, and I might boost it in post. As you can see there, you can't change the settings at all. So yeah, back here, see it says FIFINE. Those black notches, they glow blue when you're using it. So very straightforward. Build quality is okay. It seems fine for its use case. And like I said, obviously this works in Windows and Mac, and Windows 7, which is useful, and on PlayStation 4, which isn't in the description on AliExpress. So I thought I'll try it out, and it actually works fine. So I might contact the store and tell them that it works on PlayStation 4. Like I said before, it's a cardioid pattern, so you have to speak into the top. A 6.56 feet cable, but I've left it wrapped because obviously it's super long. Build seems fine. This is really useful for people if you've got really crappy onboard audio, especially microphone audio, because this has a built-in sound card. So this is, I think it's good for, I wouldn't say podcasts, but any communication. I think it works fine with some earphones you have around the house. I think it's a really cost-effective sound card. Obviously with this video I will not be touching the audio at all, and that's what it looks like. So my conclusion, I think it works perfectly fine for £12. I've used it with planar headphones, my for XX, and it's loud enough. It's good for like your video chats, what's happening quite often these days. I think this should be fine. Any earphones you have around the house, plug it in, it should be okay. Works fine, I think, for the price point. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like what I do, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and please take care.